Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next video tutorial. Now, guys, for um this episode, I will definitely gonna put on some foot on these two speaker box. Now, of course, my Rockville subwoofer 1800 in terms of watt, RMS 900, and of course they are 4 ohms speaker. Definitely actually have two other ones over there. Now those two there actually 8 ohms. So this pair is actually the 4 ohms. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the foot on them. I think I purchased them for about $12 on Amazon. Let's go. Okay, so first one done. Yes, guys. So complete them in terms of putting on the legs on them. Now, definitely really neat box. They only need the grills on them now, because yes, guys, I would have actually made these. They are actually homemade. Definitely use plyboard to make them. Give them some neat wrap. As you can see, they are wrap neat. Really love these Rockville subwoofer. Really push out a lot of power. Now definitely I'm gonna want 2 more pairs. As I said, the first pairs they are actually 8 ohms. This second pair 4 ohms. Now the other 2 pairs definitely gonna get 4 ohms for them. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.